Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a cloud eye look. That sounds so weird. I've seen a lot of people do looks like this, and people have just been getting very creative with their eye makeup lately. I hope you guys like this video. It was super fun to do, and let's get started. To start out, I'm going to just take some concealer and going to just apply that to my lids. You can also use like an eyeshadow primer or anything like that. And then just use a brush or a sponge, whatever you would prefer. And I'm just applying that all over my lids. I'm just taking my beauty blender and lightly packing that so that there's no streaks and so that everything is laid out nice and smooth. Now for this look, I'm going to be going for a more purpley look. So I'm going to use a bunch of different purple eyeshadows. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics Spoil Eyes palette, and it just has a bunch of different shades in it. So I'm going to start out with a lighter color. I'm going to just start out with this light purple color and apply this into my crease. I want to go up high enough with it, almost to my brow bone, but not too high up, and want to make sure it's blended really nicely. And now I'm going to go into this almost like neon purple color, and I'm going to add this into my crease and not bring it up as high so that it's kind of a gradient. You just want to make sure everything looks nice and blended and transitioned at the end. Now to actually like really pick up some good color, I'm just taking a setting spray. This one's from MAC, and I'm just going to spray my brush with this so that when we put it into the eyeshadow, the brush is wet and the color will pick up a lot more pigmented. So right now I'm going to use this NYX single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Ultraviolet. This is a little bit of a deeper purple, and I'm going to add that into my crease. After this, we're going to be cutting our crease with some concealer. So you really want to make sure that these purple shades are high up enough in your crease so that when you apply the concealer, they're not all covered up, that you don't lose the pretty gradient and transition of the darker to lighter purple. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease, so you can use some concealer, or this is just a white eyeshadow base. I'm going to use a brush. Now I'm going to use the NYX White Jumbo Eye Pencil, add this to my lids, and sort of redefine my crease. I'm going back in with my brush. I'm going to apply this light pink right here and apply that just to the top to set this concealer because it's getting everywhere. And now I'm going to go into the same purple shade from earlier and apply that just below. And then I'm applying the super bright purple just to the center of my lids. And then the purple single eyeshadow. Now that the crease is all done, I'm going to do the cloud part now. So I'm using the NYX White Matte Liquid Liner. I'm going to draw on these clouds. Then I'm just taking a brush and blending that down just a little bit. And for this part, it's really important to try and not go over the crease line that we created so that the crease looks defined. Now I'm basically just going to keep repeating this same step all over my lids, so I will speed it up and you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to just take my white eyeliner and just kind of fill in this space up here with like a few little dots. Now I'm using this NYX silver, it's crystal in the shade Crystal Silver, and it's just a glitter liner, and I'm going to add it to the clouds. So all I'm going to do now is do the same exact thing on the other eye and do my face makeup, and then I'll be back. Okay, and then just to finish the eye look, I also added on some false lashes, and so now I'm just going to go back into the single NYX purple eyeshadow, and I'm going to add that to my lower lash line. And I'm also going to use the purple from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to apply the neon purple color. Add that just to the center of my lower lash line. Now I'm just applying a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. And then the last thing I'm going to do is go back in with my glitter and add that to my inner corners. So this is the finished look. That's it for today's video. I look kind of insane right now. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload every week, so stay tuned for next week's video. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which I will link down below in the description, along with all the products that I used in today's video. You guys can also go check out my vlog channel along with last week's video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!